Time. Time. Today we will learn about the topic time. Do you know how to read the time? Yes. What is the time shown by the clock?
It is 20 minutes past 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you. Now we will learn how to find number of days from one date to another. Finding number of days from one date to another. Ordinary year equals to 365 days. Leap year equals to 366 days. We know that in a leap year, the month February has 29 days. To understand this, let us see the following example. Example: find the number of days from 28th April to 28th May in an ordinary year. Solution: number of days from 28th April to 30th April equals to 30 minus 19 equals to 11. Number of days from 1st May to 28th May equals to 20. Therefore, total number of days equals to 11 plus 20 equals to 31 days. We normally use 12 hours clock. Railways, airlines and armed forces use 24 hours clock time. Digital watches also show time in 24 hours clock time. The hour hand of the clock goes round the dial twice in 24 hours. 1. In this, the time is expressed in 4-digit numbers. For example, 2205, 1815, 0419, 0714, where the first 2 digits on the left tells us the hours and the number formed by the next 2 digits tells us the minutes. For example, 2205 represents 22 hours 5 minutes. 2. 12 o'clock midnight is expressed as 0000 hours. 12 o'clock noon is expressed as 1200 hours. 3. For converting to 12 hours clock rotation, use AM if the number is less than 12. For example, 0300 hours represents 3 AM. 1145 hours represent 11 hours 45 minutes equals to 11:45 AM. 4. If the number of hours is more than 12, then time indicated is past noon. For conversion, subtract 12 from the number of hours given and use PM with it. For example, 1600 hours represents 16 minus 12 equals to 4 PM. 5. If the number of hours is 12 and the number is more than 00, then the time is past noon. For example, 1210 represents 12:10 PM. 1230 represents 12:30 PM. 1259 represents 12:59 PM. Time interval. Now we will learn how to find the time interval between two given timings. A. Change AM and PM to 24 hours clock time. B. Write the timing in hours and minutes. C. Subtract the timings, keeping in mind regrouping of hours and minutes. Example: find the time interval between 8:40 AM to 2:50 PM. Solution: convert 2:50 PM and 8:40 AM according to 24 hours clock time. 2:50 p.m. equals to 14 hours 50 minutes. 8:40 a.m. equals to 8 hours 40 minutes. Now, subtract 8 hours 40 minutes from 14 hours 50 minutes. 14 hour 50 minutes minus 8 hours 40 minutes equals to 6 hours 10 minutes. So, time interval between 8:40 a.m. to 2:50 p.m. is 6 hours 10 minutes. 4 operations involving time. Now, we will learn how to operate addition and subtraction. For this, let us consider the following examples. Example: at 2 hours 34 minutes 46 seconds and 5 hours 29 minutes 18 seconds. Solution. Step 1. Add the seconds. 46 plus 18 equals to 64 seconds equals to 1 minute 4 seconds. Write 4 under seconds column. Step 2. Add the minutes. 1 plus 34 plus 29 equals to 64 minutes equals to 1 hour 4 minutes. Write 4 under minutes column and carry 1 to the hours column. Step 3. Add the hours. 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 8 hours. Write 8 under hours columns. Thus, the answer is 8 hours 4 minutes 4 seconds. Example: subtract 5 hours 25 minutes 36 seconds from 8 hours 42 minutes 18 seconds. Solution. Step 1. Subtract the seconds. 18 seconds is smaller than 36 seconds. So borrow 1 minute equals to 60 seconds from minutes column. Now, subtract 36 from 78 equals to 78 minus 36 equals to 42. Write 42 in seconds column. Step 2. Subtract the minutes. 41 minutes minus 25 minutes equals to 16 minutes. Write 16 in minutes column. Step 3. Subtract the hours. 8 hours minus 5 hours equals to 3 hours. Write 3 in hours column. Thus, the answer is 3 hours 16 minutes 42 seconds. Multiplication and division. Now we will learn about multiplication and division. For this, see the following examples. Example: multiply 5 weeks, 13 days, 12 hours by 5. Solution. Step 1. Multiply 5 by 12 hours. 5 into 12 equals to 60 hours equals to 2 days plus 12 hours. Write 12 hours under hours column and carry 2 days in days column. Step 2. Multiply 5 by 13. 5 into 13 equals to 65 days plus 2 days. Carried equals to 67 days equals to 9 weeks 4 days. Write 4 days under days column and carry 9 weeks in week column. Step 3. Multiply 5 by 5 weeks. 5 into 5 equals to 25 plus 9 carried equals to 34 weeks. Write 34 under weeks column. Thus, the product is 34 weeks, 4 days, 12 hours. Example, divide 10 hours, 24 minutes, 40 seconds by 5. Solution. Step 1. Divide 10 hours by 5. Quotient equals to 2. Remainder equals to 0. Step 2. Divide 24 minutes by 5. Quotient equals to 4 minutes. Remainder equals to 4 minutes equals to 4 into 60 equals to 240 seconds. Step 3. Divide 40 seconds plus 240 seconds equals to 280 seconds by 5. Thus, the answer is 2 hours 4 minutes 55 seconds.